If you're looking for a private foothills escape, this 5+ acre cabin property brings character, space, and nature together in North Carolina. As you arrive, the home is tucked away in a peaceful rural setting, surrounded by open land and natural beauty. The property offers a quiet atmosphere, with seasonal sights and sounds of roaring river just nearby, creating a true connection to nature. This is a custom cabin-style home, built with wood milled directly from the property itself, giving it a level of authenticity and craftsmanship that is rarely found. The natural materials and rustic design create a warm, inviting feel from the moment you step inside. The main level features an open floor plan, where the kitchen, dining, and living areas flow together, making the space functional and comfortable for everyday living. A main level bedroom and full bathroom add convenience and practicality. Above, a loft area provides flexible space that can be used for additional sleeping, office use, or a quiet retreat. This added level gives the home more versatility than a typical cabin layout. The finished basement expands the living space even further, offering options for a media room, guest area, recreation space, or home office. With 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in total, the layout is designed for both comfort and flexibility. A septic permit for 3 bedrooms adds even more long-term potential if expansion is desired in the future. Outside, the